Welcome to Downtown Cafe. Please subscribe to our channel and also turn on your notification bell in order to get our latest updates.
Yes. Where I press am. Yeah, don't the record. I press am. Okay. Yes. Yes, na me be Johnny my dog. Give a King Onyambe. Mother's bad and Momo. Life. La Paris. Na me this. No shake no day. At the top of the Ekelebe them. La Republic. Popia. I don't tell you that time no end.
General Bling, the son of King Commando, the king of Momo.
We don't need no development for Momo.
You want to say overlike we? You want to say overlike we? If you like we, leave our country for we.
We boss all thing.
If you overlike we, leave our country Ambanews for we. This Caterpillar get to born now. No development is Ambanews. We want the country, leave our country. You don't video?
Yes, at the video.
Voila.
No, you should the other person for that side.
Yes. Now me the General Bling today. The 28th of March 2023.
Commando.
That road where they go Njikwa Ngie.
Now with this session,
You know the wife is also that they will send army they can't kill we. She grab my sister them. Born our eyes. Hey, that guy stop for this.
we have fire, we have petrol, stop him.
Separatist fighters have burned down a bulldozer that was working on the road linking Njikwa and Ngie subdivisions in Momo division of the Northwest region. Led by a certain General Blink, the armed fighters also adopted the bulldozer operator and other workers when they launched the attack on March 28, 2023. In a viral video that the fighters released on social media later on, the fighters are seen shattering the windscreen of the bulldozer, claiming that the only development that they want for La Republique is to leave their land. The whereabouts of the technicians who were operating the bulldozer is yet unknown, and also it is not confirmed how many people were taken away by the fighters. This attack comes few weeks after some inhabitants of Acha in Momo division were taken away by another group of separatist militia for thanking President Paul Biya for rehabilitations of the Acha Njikwa Road.
Finally, we don't reach for Acha. As we don't reach for Acha, we don't struggle. The Caterpillar, the company shop don't try to bring the bulldozer for Acha. I will not drop up. There are people in this. The traditional ruler in this for Acha will kill the them. So we first of all thank the head of state for make this Jesus for we the Njikwa people and the Acha people and the Bengi and shot Momo as the general. So we glad plenty for see more than 25 to 30 years where Caterpillar never passed from Hala for the road. They don't finally Caterpillar don't finally reach for semi-clear road go for Acha Njikwa. So we thank the head of state. We thank our minister, Madam Rose Acha. We don't do all the struggle for meet up the hierarchy them for make sure they make this project a drive move. We strive for sea road. We get a lot of coffee down here. We get a lot of timber and cocoa yams. We not fit sell for market. We cows them. We got them. We not fit take and go market. So we thank the head of state. No matter the condition of we country now, but we show say everybody be here happy say the road pass because it no be now small tax for bring this equipment for here. Most of the equipment they for town they don't destroy, burn them and so on. But we don't beg, cry, kneel down. The village don't cry for everybody. Say may they try for labor, may the road be open. So we are not hand for the village people how they feel bless the road, talk fine so that the Caterpillar they work in good way and so on. Okay.